Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, WA Electronics. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the brand new Fnirsi IPS3608 DC power supply. This is not your average bench power supply. It's a smart, digitally controlled unit packed with features like high precision output, multiple safety protections, USB charging ports, and a colorful adjustable display. If you're into electronics, DIY projects, or lab testing, this might just be the tool you've been waiting for. Let's unbox it and see what we get inside the box. Inside the box, we get the IPS3608 power supply unit itself, the AC power cord, a pair of output leads, red and black, a Type-C USB cable, and a user manual. Pretty straightforward packaging, but the star of the show is definitely this compact and heavy-duty power supply. It measures about 138 by 214 by 115 millimeters and weighs around 1.5 kilograms, so it feels solid and well-built. Taking a closer look at the design, on the front panel, we've got a 2.8-inch full-color display that can even tilt for better viewing angles. Beside that, an encoder knob lets you scroll, adjust values, and confirm selections. Very handy for quick voltage and current changes. Next to it, there's a button selection area for navigation and a dedicated VA button for switching between voltage and current readings. Then we have the Run-Stop button, which controls the output, plus a lock button to prevent accidental changes. We also get USB-C and USB-A ports, which means you can directly charge your devices or power USB-powered tools right from the supply. And of course, the positive and negative output terminals for your main load connection. Cooling is handled with multiple heat dissipation vents on the back and sides. The rear also houses the main AC input, power switch, and an additional USB-C port. Spec-wise, the IPS3608 supports an input voltage of 100 to 240 volts AC, so it works worldwide. The output range is up to 36 volts DC at 8 amps, giving a maximum power of 285 watts. It also comes with a ton of protection features: over voltage, over current, over temperature, over power, under voltage, short circuit, reverse connection protection. This makes it a very reliable choice for lab testing, hobby projects, and even sensitive electronics. Let's power it on. The display is bright and clear with adjustable backlight settings. Rotating the knob lets me set the output voltage and current limits precisely. For example, I'll set it to 5 volts, perfect for powering microcontrollers or small circuits. Now, let's crank it up to around 12 volts for testing motors and lamps. Next, let's test 24 volts. And of course, it goes all the way to 36 volts if needed. As you can see, the output is very stable and the readings are accurate. The dynamic response is impressive, no noticeable lag when switching loads. And here's a nice touch. The USB-C port supports fast charging protocols, so you can charge phones, tablets, or power banks directly. So here's my quick verdict after testing it. Pros: wide output range, 0 to 36 volts, 0 to 8 amperes, up to 285 watts. Compact but solid build, bright 2.8-inch adjustable screen, intuitive digital controls, multiple safety protections, extra USB-C and USB-A outputs. Cons: at 1.5 kilograms, it's not the most portable. Fan noise under heavy load could be noticeable. Display is only 2.8 inches, might feel small for some users. Overall though, the pros heavily outweigh the cons. To wrap it up, the Fnirsi IPS3608 DC power supply is an excellent choice for electronics enthusiasts, DIYers, and professionals who need a smart, safe, and high-precision lab power supply. With its compact size, advanced protections, and bonus USB outputs, it's a solid addition to any workspace. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out and use that discount code to get 6% flat discount. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and electronics content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.